Are there polyrhythms in nature? Imagine standing in a forest, surrounded by the sounds of rustling leaves, chirping birds, and flowing water. Each sound seems to have its own rhythm, yet together they create a symphony of nature. This leads us to an intriguing question: are there polyrhythms in nature? To understand this, we first need to define what polyrhythms are. Polyrhythms occur when two or more contrasting rhythms are played simultaneously. This concept is often found in music, but it can also be observed in various natural phenomena. One of the most prominent examples of polyrhythms in nature is the behavior of certain animal species. For instance, the mating calls of frogs can vary in pitch and timing, creating a complex auditory landscape. Each species may have its own rhythm, and when they all call at once, it forms a rich tapestry of sound that resembles a polyrhythmic structure. Another example can be found in the movement of waves on the ocean. The rhythmic rise and fall of the water can be influenced by wind patterns, tides, and the interaction of different currents. Each of these factors contributes its own rhythm, resulting in a dynamic and ever-changing pattern. In the plant kingdom, the growth patterns of trees and flowers can also exhibit rhythmic qualities. For example, the opening and closing of petals in response to sunlight can occur in a timed sequence, creating a rhythm that aligns with the day-night cycle. Additionally, the migration patterns of certain animals, such as birds and fish, can reflect rhythmic behavior. These migrations often follow specific seasonal patterns, influenced by environmental cues, which can be seen as a natural rhythm that guides their movements. As we observe these examples, it becomes clear that nature is filled with rhythmic patterns that can be likened to polyrhythms. The interplay of various sounds, movements, and behaviors creates a complex and harmonious environment. So, the next time you find yourself in nature, take a moment to listen and observe. You may discover that the rhythms around you are not just random but rather a beautiful arrangement of polyrhythms that contribute to the symphony of life.